This video is sponsored by Rewire. It's an application you can use to send money from Europe down to several countries, Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, and the likes. They even have a free Rewire MasterCard. Check them out.
Hey folks, it's your one and only Waka Waka Doctor, bringing you the best of travel all around the world. You know how we do it here? We share information with respect to moving abroad. If this is the first time of watching my channel, possibly you just stumbled around and got to see me, you might want to do well to click the subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you will always get alerts whenever I post new videos. Now, on this episode, I'll be sharing secrets about how to, well, not secrets, but how to get loans and financing for your move abroad. There are different companies that help with getting loans. There are different companies that help with financing your move. And one major ingredient for your travel abroad with respect to visas is the proof of funds. Now, don't let anybody tell you, but if you go on social media, on Twitter, on Instagram, you will find Proof by Credit Wave. Yes, Proof by Credit Wave. They are a financial institution that helps with individuals who want to achieve their financial dreams and get funding with moving abroad. So this whole proof of funds, yes, that you always scream about. You don't know how to come about proof of funds. I don't know how to get proof of funds. Yes, you might want to do well to contact Proof by Credit Wave on Instagram and on Twitter. Now, if you're looking for loans and personal loans, there are 6-7 companies and websites that I need you to visit. I'll show you how to navigate those websites, and in the description box of this video, I will be putting the links so you can check them out for yourself. Are you ready? Let's go.
So let's get cracking. I think the first one I'd like to show you is MPower Financing, which is actually one of the biggest ones around, where you can fund your education and live your dream. As you can see boldly here, you can get a loan, you can get scholarships, and they have loan applications up to $100,000. And they don't require a cosigner, they don't need collateral and credit score. So if you just want to apply, you click hop here, you apply for schools only in the US and Canada. They would usually need your passport, so you need to have it ready, and it usually takes about 20 minutes to complete the application. Okay, so it's a fantastic one for you to give a try. Now you need to know, like I mentioned, they have schools that they help with funding for, so you need to have admissions into those schools before you'd be allowed to get a loan. The second one I want to talk about is Landwise. Landwise is also fantastic. You can see they are regulated by the FCA UK. You can invest with Landwise and you can borrow. Okay, so you can get a quote first just to see how much they would ask you to pay back before you borrow. So you get a quote here, and you can create an account by signing in. You can create an account. If you prefer to speak to them, they have a phone number here. I don't work for Landwise. I'm just trying to help as many people as possible. So they give loans from 5,000 to 100,000. And one good thing about Landwise is, aside from student loans, they also do personal loans, and you can set the date for your repayment fee. Okay, so look, the average borrower rate is 10% APR. So when it comes to financing this, they're well good, and the 10% APR, it could be high. Yeah, it's high, but if that's the price you need to pay, then go for it. You want to know how the loans work? This is all you need to see. So you would student accepted at a postgraduate or professional qualification. You fill a form with your details. Then Landwise will analyze the data, and if successful, they send a proposal with the proposed amount that it can offer you, the interest rate, and a schedule. And if you accept their proposal, they will finalize with a loan agreement. And after that is done, then they upload the loan in the primary marketplace. The investors fund diversified loan parts, either manually or via an automated auto invest robot. Then they disburse the loan, and boom, that's it. You now start your repayment plan. So Landwise might be another option you might want to take. Okay, number 3 is Prodigy. Before I talk about Prodigy, let me just say this in between. Aside from loans, one of the requirements that's always very important when applying for student visas is your proof of funds. Now, we know that not everybody can afford proof of funds, and you need to talk to Proof by Credit Wave. Proof by Credit Wave is a fantastic funding facility. You can find them on Instagram, you can find them on Twitter. It's called Proof by Credit Wave. Take a look at them in your spare time. They've got good percentages, and they can help you, fund your travel abroad. They help with proof of funds at a very, very, very affordable rate. So look them up. Prodigy Finance is also another one that helps with student loans, international master's education, and you can apply for that as well. Where can you study? So they have about 850 schools in 18 different countries. Okay, so the advantage of Prodigy is that they are not limited to Canada and the United States or Canada and the UK. They fund schooling in 18 different countries: business, policy, economics, engineering, science, computer science, law, and mathematics. Okay, so you can see, where do you want to study? You see they have different countries here, and then what do you want to study? You can put what you want to study there as well, and then search. Okay, and you have the supply button here as well. So that's possibly one of them that you might want to try out. Prodigy Finance. I think for me, Prodigy Finance is very, very good, but you can take a look at by yourself. Another one is Stilt, S-T-I-L-T, stilt.com. I will put all the links in this video, so you need not worry. For Stilt, they also stated that they don't need any cosigner, no prepayment fees, and checking for it won't impact on your credit score. So you can select the visa type you want to. Stilt is mostly for United States. Stilt mostly is for the United States, but I think they also support Canadian school loans as well. So you can check how it works. You can support, career, and that's Stilt. Another one I like to talk about is Edfin Wise Abroad Loan. Edfin Wise Abroad Loans. Take a look. You can apply for a loan just by, clicking on that button. You can read about them. Always read about stuff. They help with, getting loans if you want to study abroad. Okay, so take a look at them. It's Edfin. Look, get up to 20 million naira loan. This is particularly for Nigerians. The ones I've been talking about before support any country, but Edfin is particularly for Nigerians. And the last one I like to talk about is the Future Finance. Future Finance gets student loans, postgraduate loans, and resources. And you can, just do the same thing. Create an account here, and you can apply for loans as well if you're interested. Their percentage is higher than what we saw with, I think it was with Landwise, that was 10%. Theirs is about 20%. And Future Finance supports mostly United Kingdom schools, and they've been in existence for about, say 2014, 2015. So you can calculate how much you need here. Let's say you need £20,000, and you can apply. So it means that you'll be paying £600 every month if you're applying for 18,500. If you're applying for 11,000, you'll be paying 3,007. So 379 every month. So it's you have to think it twice. There's an example here. If you borrow 4,000 for 112 months, look at the payment plan. Okay, you can pay 28 payments of £5 per month, 84 payments of 128.79. So that's another one you want to talk about. Look, these are some of the structures available if you want to take loans. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to share and like and watch other videos that I post. It's your one and only Waka Waka Doctor, bringing you the best of travel. Till I see you on another episode, another video. Thank you very much for watching.